How to enable or disable show view updates on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the Edge, or the Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer Options. From here, we then scroll down and then tap on Show View Updates. Tap on that to turn it on. This will flash views inside Windows when drawn. And tap on it to switch it off. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.